Yo guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw the evil Dark Shenron. That's right folks, it's been a long time, but you've been waiting, and here you go. We're gonna show you guys how to draw Dark Shenron. If you must know, Dark Shenron is a evil entity created with the Dark Dragon Balls that k.f.a has been hunting for. After several alterations have been made with the power of the Dragon Balls, each hero was corrupt and turned into a villain. So, basically, this guy, it's like Shenron, except corrupted by the power of darkness. Kind of reminds me of Omega Shenron. You know, during that final fight in Dragon Ball GT, when Goku used the Spirit Bomb on him. Okay, what? Right. Sorry. I'm almost done. Okay, so basically, when drawing Omega Shenron, it's like regular Shenron, but not. So, there's his teeth. Basically, I don't know when we're gonna see Dark Shenron again, but Dark Shenron is like the evil version of Shenron, except he's more demonic and more dark. Kind of reminds me of the Shadow Dragon from Dragon Ball GT. Remember, with that cigar in his mouth? Also, for the reminder of you adults at home, do not smoke. It's bad for your health and a poison to your lungs. Which is why I recommend not to smoke. Smoking is really bad. It is bad for your health. Even for dragons. There we go. Okay, almost done. There's his hair. You see, when drawing Dark Shenron, drawing his hair can be a bit difficult, but it's really long and lots of stretchy hairs. It kind of looks like licorice, you guys, because his hair is kind of red. Not like the regular Shenron hair or Super Shenron or the other Shenron Dark Shadow Dragons. I wonder if the Shadow Dragons will ever appear in Dragon Ball Super. So I've drawn Porunga, Super Shenron, Shenron, and Omega. I'm gonna draw this guy next. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There's his arm. Alexa, what is a dragon?
The noun, dragon, can have a few meanings. 1. A mythical monster generally represented as a huge, winged reptile with crested head and enormous claws and teeth, and often spouting fire. 2. A huge serpent or snake. 3. A large animal, possibly a large snake or crocodile. 4. Satan, the chief evil spirit, the great adversary of humanity, the devil.
And that's the definition for a dragon. Okay, next up are his abs. Next up is his other arm. Anyways, truth be told about the Dark Dragon Balls, they only allow you to grant wishes to those who are dark and pure hearted of evil. But I'm not like that. I prefer the regular Dragon Balls. Be sure to draw these spikes on his back. And since his name is Dark Shenron, be sure to draw this ghostly dark aura surrounding him. After all, he is named Dark Shenron after all. I know you possibly see me draw this character. You see me draw auras around monsters like Goku Ultra Instinct, Top the Destroyer, and Super Saiyan Black Rose. And there we go. There's the dark aura that surrounds him. That's how you draw Dark Shenron. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Oh, and do not make any evil wishes, okay? That's just really wrong. But I do have one evil wish for the dragon. Dark Shenron, if you're hearing this message, I want you to grant me my wish. I wish that Blue's Clues never existed.